What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Today, we good old, as I call it, Laurel Pond. Pond right down my street. It's looking pretty good today. So actually, I think if I see this correctly, we got a bed pretty much right in front of me. Looks like a male guarding it. Probably about a pound and a half. Pretty decent. I'll do a video of that. Yeah, he is definitely on the bed. He's chasing off stuff. Hopefully, if a female comes around, catch her. But that's good to know, because I was waiting for fish to start spawning here, because there's a couple big ones I want to catch, and they're hard to catch besides in the spawning time, so hopefully we'll get them. All right, yeah, this is looking good. I just saw about a 3-pounder just come off of there's a little cove right there, so that is very interesting. It looked like he had something in her mouth, but oh yeah, there's some fish over here, all right. Another one right by the shore I just spooked. These fish are out. The big ones are out today. I think that might be the male, because he's kind of hanging around. I think it's going to be a good day. I'm gonna put a weight on this bait just so I can get more of a reaction strike. And the bait I have on right now, I got this like little crawfish bait. Probably going to change this up, but got to get some weight on there. All right, I gotta weed this bait on now. It's a little more low profile, I think. Easily chuck it up in there and try to catch these fish, you know? He is scared of this thing. All right, he has it. Nice one. Didn't take too long for this guy, small little male, to the old bed spot. All right, good. He's coming back to the bed. Didn't mess up anything. Oh, there's a nicer one right in front of me. That's like that looks like a maybe 3. I'll try to catch that one. This one is way more aggressive. I think I'll be able to get this one pretty easy, which is good. It's gonna be tough bringing her through the weeds, but it's gonna be worth it for the fish. Oh yeah. She just had it, she spit it. Oh my God, all right, there we go. I think she has it. There we go. There we go. And she snapped me. No way. She literally snapped me, bro. I see it in her mouth. Damn it. Oh, all right. You see that? Oh, I should have checked my bait after. That was a nicer fish, bro. That was probably a 3-pounder right there. Damn it. Okay, well, if she spits that hook and comes back to that bed, I'll just get her on the other bait. Hey, you live, you learn. I gotta tie a new knot after that. Yeah, because she snapped me clean off. That was a definitely nicer fish, but I'm not too worried. Oh yeah, she's back already, okay. I'm gonna try to catch her, because I want to make sure that hook's out of her mouth. I think I don't see it anymore, so, which is good. I think I'll give this fish a little more time and come back to her later, because I doubt she'll be off the bed by the time I'm back, so go look for another bed in the meantime. Nice one. Nice little guy. Got him on the same thing. It's definitely a lot smaller, but thanks, bud. Back. Had a little delay. We had to grab a little GoPro battery, so we're back. We're trying to get this fish again. Oh. Nibbling on it. She was nibbling on it. First cast. First cast of coming back, I guess. There we go. Oh. Come on. Oh, finally. Look at that. Nice piggy right there. 2.5, not as big as I thought, but still a nice fish regardless. Let's let her go. Oh, she was mad. I deserve that. All right. Anyway, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm leaving because the amount of bugs are here. But yeah, we had a good day. We caught one fish that was pretty nice. That one fish took us a while to get, but in the end it was worth it. And I think I left a little scar just where the hook was, but at least the hook popped out on its own. So that's what I was worried about in the end. So thank y'all for watching. Drop a like if you like, drop a little comment, subscribe. See y'all on the next one.